How to quiet down a noisy heater. In the chillier months, a dependable heater is your sanctuary from the biting cold in Ohio. However, a noisy heater can disrupt your peace and comfort. Here are some tips on how you can quiet down your heater. Check your air filter and replace it if it's dirty. If your furnace is rattling, make sure all screws and panels are in place and secure. Make sure supply vents are open and return air grills are not blocked. Regular maintenance by a professional Cosby Heating and Cooling technician can diagnose and resolve the root causes of noisy heaters. If you encounter persistent issues or require professional assistance in quieting down your heater, contact Cosby Heating and Cooling in Mount Vernon, Ohio. Say goodbye to heater noise and hello to a tranquil, cozy environment by calling 740-431-4230 today.